Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. Today I'm going to show you in a 2-minute quick video how to change your cabin air filter. It's very easy. You go into the frunk, remove the panels, open the lid, take it out, put it back in, and then put everything back together. It should take you about 5 minutes. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. What are the intervals for changing your cabin air filter? Well, the manual says every 22,500 miles or 2 years, but some people find that if you change it once a year every 15,000 miles, it can reduce the amount of dust that gets thrown around inside the cabin. It's entirely up to you. It shouldn't cost you more than $20 to $40 for that actual filter, and it's really easy to replace. And the way to do that is these pop out or pull inward. This one pulls inward, and then this one just lifts upward, like so. Hard to do this with one hand. Alright, so let's say you want to change your cabin air filter. This is where that is, and there are 2 tabs here and 2 tabs on the upside, and you just pull them or push them in, and this should pull out. There is your cabin air filter, which can be replaced. Also, be aware of which direction the arrows are going. They're going that way because air is coming in and it's filtering that way. And this, just pick it up and slide it out. You may have to just pry this or just push this up a little bit, and then you'll be able to get this filter out like so. And then the new one just slides back in. You want to make sure that's all the way in. Put this thing back in. Now, I do believe it is not unidirectional. This little divot here, which is not here, is towards the front. So just slide it in, push it down, let it click. Ta-da! Cabin air filter, done. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with anybody. I don't care. Let's get the word out. Joe's Garage. Thanks for watching. Like so, although I'm struggling to get it. There we go, back in.